Good morning. Good morning. Oh wait, sorry. Okay, so basically I'm going to Budapest and currently packing. Alright, to be completely honest with you, I have not fully packed. I gotta do that quickly. I just kind of wanted to do an interesting, creative intro like that. I hope it turned out okay. But anyways, so yeah, we're heading to Budapest today. My buddies Connor and Brendan are coming over in about an hour and a half. So we have a car gonna pick us up at 12:30, and then we'll be on our way. So yeah. So I guess cue the packing montage. Oh fuck. Okay. I'm gonna start packing like I said over there. Yeah. I got a lot of stuff to do, and my buddies are coming over soon, so kinda gotta pack soon. So well, Brendan's coming. Oh shit.
What do you don't understand? You were late.
Okay. We already have a situation on our hands, and it hasn't even been 20 minutes this morning since what the fuck we've been doing.
It's been 10.
It's been about
Scratch
10.
9.
Yeah, scratch at 9. So,
We're leaving 10 minutes later, so that means you got 10 minutes to check the bag and get there.
so anyways, our driver did not show up, and he was late, and I tried calling him. He's like, oh, I don't understand. I'm like, dude, just don't come. We're getting a taxi. So yeah, that's already an issue. So I may be like $60 down the drain in that sense. But it's okay. We're no, I did not already pay. So I requested it. Anyways, and we're kind of screwed too because we don't have much time, and we're at Fiumicino, and it's Wizz Air. But Wizz Air normally has delays. Wizz Air,
I want to count it.
I wouldn't count on a delay.
No, I'm not counting on a delay.
That's what my friend thought last week and missed their flight.
He was counting on a delay.
They were counting on a delay.
I'm not counting on a delay, but I'm saying I've heard.
Hanging out in Starbucks. They literally got to the airport like an hour early.
That's dumb.
Yo, it's 48. He only takes cash. Alright, we're back at the airport. It's 48. All I have is 20 right now on me. Right here. Brendan, you got 10?
Yeah, I have a 50 in my bag. Sorry.
Oh, you have 50? Alright, give him that, Grazie. Buona giornata. Ciao, ciao. Okay, we're back at the airport. Here, I'll take the big one. So let's get into the terminal and check these bags in ASAP. Alrighty. We're running late. We're jogging. Little nice morning exercise. Wait, you don't know your gate? I have the gate number. Yeah, it's on here. Gate. Fuck. Section on. I don't see the gate. Hold on. Fuck. We'll look later. That was something. Yeah. Alrighty. I caught up to the boys. Okay, so I caught up to the boys. We're all sitting at the gate. We thought the boarding was going to be closed, but it's not even started. So we're in luck. Brendan and I are on a mission to find some snacks before the flight. I think he may have found something. Oh, hello here.
Might just want a Pepsi.
Yeah, dude, that's a send. I might get an iced tea or Lipton. Brendan and I bought a shit ton of snacks, and I bought a power bank because who doesn't need more power? Let's see what's up with Connor.
Wait, you loaded up.
I told them. I literally just said that.
Oh, dude. I might have to go back and grab some of
Alright guys, I kind of forgot to inform you, today's flight is a comprehensive review of Wizz Air from Rome to Budapest aboard their new A321NEO. So I bought food to test it out, but anyhow, so far through what I've been able to see, I have priority. I bought priority for this flight, which is why I'm sitting in 3F. But priority does not mean shit for this airline, because when I was checking in, everyone was just crowding the priority line and it didn't mean crap. And then also, same thing with the boarding process, so I waited to be last on board with my buddies, but that caused some issues with the overhead baggage, so yeah. But anyways, I bought food, it cost me €7 extra on top of my roughly $200 round trip flight. For this flight from Rome to Budapest and then Budapest to Rome, it cost me roughly $200. The standard flight costs $99 round trip. This with all the extra added fees, so I can have baggage and I can have priority boarding, priority check-in, priority seating, better seats and stuff like that. But so far so good. I have no complaints really. But let's get a quick look at this food, and it cost me €7 extra to my overall fare of this trip. I got a ham sandwich here. Ham sandwich on today's flight. There was a promotional effort where if you bought that ham sandwich, you would get a free pair of like nuts or peanuts, or what you would call it, a chocolate bar. I chose the nuts because I didn't want chocolate. And here's all the napkins and stuff. So I'll hit you guys with some B-roll. To the seat, there's one feature that's kind of cool. Aside from this being an A321NEO, there's code handles.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Budapest.
Okay, I gotta get my bag. Awesome, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. You too. Thank you, bye-bye. Alright guys, so we're in Budapest. Look at these two goons. We're in Budapest, bitches.
We landed.
I know, right? We survived.
I figured out what they're like stored like Jewish houses.
Alright, we're here. I don't know what's happening, but I heard World War II. What are we talking about here?
Talking about things to do.
Oh, hell yeah.
Room boats.
Hell yeah.
We got a whole plan.
Okay, fuck yeah.
World War II.
It got dark so quickly, jeez. Bro, I don't want to go to an ice bar. The last time I went to an ice bar, I stayed up for 3 consecutive days.
Why?
A long story.
I'll be down to go chill in an igloo and have some drinks.
Our driver's here. Off to the Airbnb. I'm super excited. This is my first time in Hungary and in Budapest. Dude, the McDonald's is giving me really USA vibes. I like it. It's honestly the open roads and strip malls. That's honestly and the fast food.
Yeah.
And
walking here in the King Street, many bar, local, instant, everybody discotheque.
okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Literally on a massive main street, our Airbnb. This is nice. Look at this shit. I knew it. There's literally a tram right there. Alright, we are literally in the heart of Budapest. I don't know what street this is, but it's a massive street. There's a Starbucks right there. And there's trams that run through here. We're here with our Airbnb host, Bence, and he's bringing us to the Airbnb. Sorry, he's trying to talk to me. He's looking at me watching at the camera. Oh shit, it's a small ass ceiling. Alrighty, we're here at our Airbnb. I'm gonna give you guys a very quick tour with a little bit of B-roll in between. So here we go. So you walk in, boom, welcome. You walk through this door. Here we actually fuck Brendan. Before I'm gonna do B-roll, I'm not gonna give a tour. What do you guys say about the ceiling?
The ceiling is fucking crazy, so I'm gonna hit it. I gotta walk like hunched through this place. Other than that, this place is nice as shit.
It's nice, but everything's like smaller. On the Airbnb app, it looked a lot bigger. Everything's like, dude, doesn't this look like a set from like iCarly?
It really does.
It looks like a little studio set from like a... Holy shit, I just realized that. It literally looks like a soundstage studio set. Okay, these boys are making coffee right now.
Goddamn, that's way too sweet.
Dude, these cabinets are so sick.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Atta boy.
That shit was a jet.
Brendan,
What's good?
come look how small the sink is.
Hold on a second.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, you're too busy making coffee over here. Look at the sink in there.
Let's see, this one's a little baby jet. Nah, that one's normal.
How was the bathroom?
Fantastic.
Alright guys, I'm in my room, and we're going to be going out, get some food, and then we'll figure out what the rest of the night. But I think I've already filled you in with a lot of information, so if anything interesting happens, I'm not bringing my camera, so if anything interesting happens, wait, I gotta get some, hold on. Wait, just wait a minute.
David, I got you.
Here we go. Bye guys.